morning, my dear friends, and special good morning the who is watching my YouTube channel, and I want to thank each one of us the who is subscribed my YouTube channel, and you are given a marvelous and fabulous support to me to running my YouTube channel. And today, friends, I'm going to give the clarification either or neither nor. Either or and neither nor. This is very important to who is preparing the competitive level exams, and every year we have to ask frequently one question comes from either or and neither nor, and then it was very important who is studying the 8th and 9th and 10th class children and who is preparing the competitive level examination holders also. So please watch in this video starting to and ending and learn how to use an either or and neither nor subject. Friends, shall we start with today's subject? What is that? Either or and neither nor. Friends, first, what is that this either or and neither nor? This is, we are calling, these are two, we are calling correlative conjunctions. That is the first point, friends. This is, we are calling correlative the conjunctions. Okay. Either or is used in the positive sentence. Either or, we are using only the positive sentence, and neither nor in negative sentence. Okay. Neither nor we are using negative sentence, and either or we are using the positive sentence. That is very important. And the next point is, when you want to write the either or and neither nor, first you should be identify a similar words in these two sentences or different words. That is the most important. Here, when we are writing either or and neither nor, we have a two sentence. In these two sentences, you should be identify different words or similar words. In that, when we are identify the different word or similar words, in the second sentence, remove the different or similar words and you should be write either or and neither nor. You have to follow what you are taken that the question in your examination paper. It was very easy to understand either or and neither nor. Friends, for example here, and before the different words and before the similar words, you should be write either or and neither nor. And today in this video, the first I'm going to give explanation for either or. First, either or. This is the first example for either or, friends. And after finishing the either or examples, I'm going to give some examples for neither nor also. Friends, shall we start? What is the first example here? You should meet him. You should talk to him. This is the example. You should meet him and you should talk to him. Friends, before we are starting that in this video, already told you, in the sentence, in the examination paper, in the sentence, first you need to identify similar words or and different words. That is the first point. And then the second point is either or, it is a positive sentence, and neither nor, it is the negative sentence. Friends, here this is the either or. I'm going to explanation. In the sentence, what is the different words What are the different words or similar words? You should meet him. This is the first sentence. This is the first sentence. And second sentence, you should talk to him. So in this sentence, we have two sentences. And the first sentence, similar words, and second sentence, similar words. You should be identifying the different words or the similar words. After finishing the identify, you should be write the answer very easy, very easy. Friends, you should meet him. This is the first sentence, and you should talk to him. This is the second sentence. How we are identify? You should meet. You should. This is the similar words. You should. This is the similar words. This is a different word. You should similar word, and you should similar words. And then him. Here the sentence also him. So after identify the similar or different words, it is easy to the write. Before the similar words, you should be the right, the either or. Here, you should, in the first sentence as it is, you have to get the similar words. And in the second sentence, what you identify, similar words or different words, remove it. Friends, remove it. First sentence, what is the similar word? You should. In the second sentence, you should. So, in the first sentence, you should, as it is, you have to write here. And after similar word, you should write either. You should write either. You should either meet, and then in the second sentence, immediately you have to remove the similar words. Remove the similar words, and then after what other words are either. Here in the first sentence we are right the either, and in the second sentence remove the similar words and write here or talk to him. This is the answer. Very easy, friends. Once it. Very easy, friends. You should meet him. You should talk to him. This is the sentence. In the two sentences, first we need to understand and need to identify similar words or different words. In the second sentence, remove the similar words or different words, and as it is, I have to write after the words. Okay, friends? Shall we go for the next one? Shravan Kumar had formal education and wealth. This is the sentence, friends. Shravan Kumar had formal education and wealth. This is the sentence. How will you identify that similar words in this sentence? What is that? Shravan Kumar had formal education and wealth. Here, friends, what is the answer? In the second sentence, this is the first sentence, and where that is the second sentence. Okay. Shravan Kumar had helping well, had either formal education, remove the and or wealth. Okay. Shravan Kumar had either formal education or wealth. So that is the answer. And second and third one is he can speak English and he can write English. Here, friends, you can observe what is the similar words or different words. In this first sentence, he can. In the second sentence, he can. In the first sentence, English. In the second sentence, English. Okay, friends. Here, we are identifying the similar words or the different words in the sentence. He can speak English, and this is the first sentence. And second sentence, he can write English. In the second sentence, immediately you have to remove that similar or different words. Okay. He can, as in the first sentence, he can, as it is, we have to write we are removing only in the second sentence only. Do not remove the first sentence. Okay. In the first sentence, he can after that either speak. In the second sentence, after you have removed he can. Okay. He can speak. He can speak either, and then next or write English. Okay, friends. He can either speak or write English. Very easy to understanding. Either or, the neither nor. Either or, it is the positive statement. The positive sentence give that either or. In the neither nor, the negative sentence after finishing in these sentences, the examples, I am going to give explanation for the neither nor also. And then the fourth one is, she is beautiful and she is intelligent. She is beautiful and she is intelligent. Here, what are the similar words and different words? She is. Here in the second sentence, she is. Okay, friends? And the second sentence, you should be remove it. Second sentence should be remove it. Remove it and should be mentioned or. Why? Because either in the first sentence and or in the second sentence. Okay. And she is either beautiful. She is either beautiful, and next one is that or intelligent. Okay, friends. She is either beautiful or intelligent. It was very easy, friends. In the two sentences, the first sentence and second sentence identify the similar or the different words. The second sentence remove the different word and it should mention or. Why? Because either the first sentence and the second sentence are. And the fifth one, I do the work myself. I ask others to do the work. This is the sentence, friends. I do the work myself and I ask others to do the work. This is the sentence, friends. How we are identifying the single words? I. In this second sentence also, I. To do the work myself and ask others to do the work. It is give the same meaning, friends. Here, in the second sentence, remove the I. Why? Because it is a single word, a different word. In the first sentence, as you have to write the I. After that, I either to do the work myself. This is the first sentence. After the second sentence, remove the single word I and mention instead of the single word or ask others to do the work. I either do the work myself or ask others to do the work. It was very easy to understand, friends. So what is that? Either or, we have this is we are calling the correlative, the conjunctions. And then in the first sentence and the second sentence, please identify that similar or the different words. And in the first sentence, as it is, I have to write the similar words. And then the second sentence should be mentioned and should be removed first. Similar words after that only what you have either in the first sentence and or in the second sentence it should be mentioned in the instead of the similar words. This is the either or the examples, friends. And now I am going to give two examples for the neither nor also. So what is the neither nor? The neither nor, it is used in the negative statement, negative sentence, friends. So what is that? How it is? How we are the right the neither nor? So friends, see example. This is the neither nor. She is not a doctor. She is not a doctor. And this is the first sentence. And second sentence, she is not a teacher. Friend, this is the sentence, the neither nor. Now we are going to write with the neither nor. In the neither nor sentence, you have a not word we have. We have a not word we have in that. Friends, what is the answer? Here, what is the singular word? What is the singular word, friends? She is the singular word, and here also she is the singular word. In the first sentence, we have to write the she is. In the not place, remove the not, and in the not place, immediately we have to mention here neither. And then here, this is the singular, she is singular word, and she is singular word. Here, not also the single words. In the not place, the first sentence should be mentioned neither. She is neither doctor, and in the not place mention nor a teacher. She is neither. She is neither doctor nor a teacher. So likewise only here identify the single words in the neither nor and either or. And then the second example, one more example I will give you, friends, for neither nor. You should not meet him. You should not meet him. You should not talk to him. You stop. You should not talk to him. Friends, this is the sentence. You should not meet him. You should not talk to him. How we are identifying you should not, and here also in the second sentence you should not. Friends, and the him. This is the similar or the different words, friends. How we are writing the neither nor? Very easy, friends. Very easy. In the first sentence, mention you should. In the not place, remove the not, and immediately have to mention instead of the not neither. You should neither meet. You should neither meet. And the second sentence, remove it. You should, because it is a single word of different words. In the not place, mention not. And remember as it is, you should talk. You should be right. Talk to him. Talk to him. What is the answer? You should neither meet or not talk to him. That is the answer. So very easy to understand, friends. Neither nor is the not place in the first sentence. You should mention the neither, and the second sentence remove the not in the not place. You should mention the not. And then this is the very easy to understanding neither nor or either or. Either or it will give the positive sentence, and neither nor it will give the negative sentence. It is we are calling the correlative the cunjunctions. Friends, it was very easy to understanding the either or neither nor. Friends, at your home, you should be watch starting to an ending, and don't skip my video starting to an ending, and follow my instructions, rules and regulations what you have, either or and neither nor, and you should be learn very careful and gain the good marks in your examinations. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you, friends.